Hello everyone, welcome back to 2-Minute Tips. Let's get started. The Field Editor in the Data and Analysis tab allows you to add new variables to responses after they've already been recorded. You can access it by going into the Data and Analysis tab and clicking the Field Editor button on the top right side of the page. Once you're on this page, you will see all the custom fields that have already been added. By clicking on the Create Field button, you will see a pop-up that displays the 4 types of custom fields that you can create. These include manual, bucketing, formula, and combine. All of these fields act as embedded data that can be used in other tools such as results reports and CX dashboards. Today we'll go over how to create and use manual and bucketing variables. Formula and combine will be shown in next week's video. The manual field is mainly used to manually add labels to responses. These labels can be created in 4 different field types. The tags field type works as a multi-answer text set so that multiple tags can be added to one response. To create this variable, simply give it a name, select the field type, and click Create Field. Once the field has been created, you can modify what the source should be. In this case, I want to create a completely new field, so I will leave it mapped the way that it is. But if you want to change the source of the field, you can do so by clicking the dropdown and selecting the field. You can unmap the source field by clicking this link button, and you can mark the field as sensitive or delete it via these 3 dots. The next type of custom field is bucketing, and it is used to automatically group both recorded and future responses into different groups or buckets. An example would be if you sent an international survey and collected data on the countries, but not the continents. To add continent data, you would map the country question and then group the answers to the respective continent bucket. In this case, I will be bucketing the responses by their favorite color into 2 different groups, good taste and bad taste. I like blue and green, so people who answered with these choices will be put into the good taste group, and people who answered red will be put into the bad taste group. To do this, I will select the question as a field, name both of the groups, and drag the values to each of the groups. Before we can create the field, we must give it a name. Once we're done creating all of our fields, we need to click Review and Publish for these fields to be added. Once they're processed, we'll be able to go into the Data and Analysis tab and add the columns of those fields. For the manual variable, simply click on the cell and add as many tags as you'd like. Once you're done, click Review and Publish. For the bucketing variable, you should see that all the group names have already been automatically assigned. And that's it! Thank you for learning how to create custom fields with me today. Please remember to subscribe to the 2-Minute Tip category so you never miss a video, and I hope to see you around the XM community.